Kanpur classes of probing PFI link say bulldozer will run on miscreants property. Violence erupted in Uttar Pradesh, Kanpur on Friday after one group tried to force shopkeepers to shut down shops at a popular market in the city over alleged offensive comments about Prophet Muhammad on a television show. Clashes erupted when one group opposed the shutdown call while the other stones were pelted, crude, bombs, and hurled, and police had to resort to lathi charge and tear gas shelling to disperse the rampaging mob. So far, 18 people have been arrested in connection with the incident, it is said. Three FIRs have been lodged in which 40 people have been named as accused while 1,000 others are yet to be identified. A few Muslim leaders in Kanpur had called for closure of shops on Friday in protest against BJP spokesperson Nupur Sharma's controversial remarks against Prophet Muhammad during a recent news debate on Gyan-Wapi issue. Varanasi seal says will offer prayers before sibling in Gyanvapi stopped by cops. A seal in Varanasi Swami Avimuktiswaranand announced on Friday that he and his followers would offer prayers at the sibling in Gyanvapi complex on Saturday, June 4. After this, the security in and around Kedar Ghat in Varanasi was increased. Swami Avimuktiswaranand Varanand, a disciple of Shankaracharya Swami Swarupanand Saraswati, said he would go Gyanvapi with 70 people and offer prayers at the Cebu. Varanasi police has not given permission to Avimuktesh Varanand to go on Gyanvapi. They stopped Swami Avimuktesh Varanand at the gate of Vidyamat. The police have increased their presence at the gate of the ashram.